Hey everyone, welcome back to Explore and Discover. If you're a tech lover like me, today's episode is all about Apple's latest game changer, the iPhone 16. That's right, the iPhone 16 is here, and it's packed with jaw-dropping features. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Let's dive in. First up, the design. Apple's always been about premium looks and feel, and the iPhone 16 doesn't disappoint. With its ultra-thin body in a more robust titanium frame, it feels solid yet light in hand. The design is cleaner, with smaller bezels, and yes, Apple has trimmed down the notch even further for that edge-to-edge screen experience. The 6.7-inch OLED Super Retina display is stunning, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and peak brightness of over 2000 nits. Perfect for outdoor use. And Apple has finally upgraded the refresh rate to 120 Hz promotion, giving you silky smooth scrolling and a better overall display experience. Now, let's talk about performance. The iPhone 16 is powered by the new A18 Bionic chip, which is even faster and more efficient than its predecessor. Expect lightning-fast speeds, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running heavy apps. Apple claims that the A18 is 30% faster in CPU tasks and has improved AI capabilities that make the iPhone 16 smarter. So, for all you power users and creators, this thing will handle it all without breaking a sweat. Now, let's move on to the camera. This is where Apple has taken a massive leap forward. The iPhone 16 features a new 48MP main sensor, capturing more detail, and Apple's best low-light performance to date. On top of that, we've got an upgraded 12MP telephoto lens and a wide-angle sensor. For video creators and vloggers, the iPhone 16 supports 8K video recording, making it a dream come true for content creators. The upgraded optical zoom and video stabilization are incredible, ensuring your shots are clear, crisp, and smooth every time. In terms of battery life, Apple has pushed the iPhone 16 to new limits. The battery life is up to 20% longer compared to the iPhone 15, so you can go through your day without worrying about recharging. And when you do need a boost, the new fast charging feature can get you up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Some exciting new features in the iPhone 16 include enhanced Face ID, which now works even faster and at more angles. There's also an improved MagSafe that can charge faster and power more accessories. Plus, the iPhone 16 now supports USB-C charging, which means better compatibility with a range of devices. The iPhone 16 also comes with iOS 17 right out of the box, bringing tons of new features. From interactive widgets to a more customizable lock screen, iOS 17 makes the whole iPhone experience even better. The new Standby mode turns your iPhone into a mini home display, giving you at-a-glance info when your phone is charging. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.